Ready to move your Solana to a more focused wallet? Let's do it. First, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Solana wallet. Make sure you have some SOL in your account to transfer and a little extra for transaction fees. Tap the send button. This is where you'll initiate the transfer of your Solana tokens. Now, switch over to your Solflare Wallet. If you don't have one yet, download it from Solflare.com and create a new wallet following their setup instructions. Find and copy your Solflare Wallet address. This is crucial as it's where your Solana will be sent. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Solflare Wallet address into the recipient address field. Double check that it's correct. Even a small mistake can result in lost funds. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Pay attention to the network fee displayed. It's usually very small on the Solana network. Review all the details carefully: the recipient address, the amount, and the network fee. If everything looks good, tap confirm. Trust Wallet will now process your transaction. This may take a few seconds. Finally, check your Solflare Wallet. After the transaction is confirmed on the Solana network, you should see your transferred Solana tokens reflected in your balance, and that's it. You've successfully transferred Solana from your Trust Wallet to your Solflare Wallet.